Hi, this is Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. I hope you enjoy this quick video of one of our new Grady-Whites. I'd love to take your phone call at 305-389-4946. Alright, I'd like to show you aboard the 2018 Freedom 325. This is a new model this year for Grady-White. 32-foot dual console boat powered by twin Yamaha 300s. Some of the changes they made on this model this year is they added the extended swim platforms, and then you could also see how the hardtop meets the front windshield, so it keeps all the air out. There's no isinglass up there in the front. As we walk into the boat, you can see it has a similar layout to the other Freedoms, but you have an extendable bench seat here, and you also have the bar on the left with a isotherm 12-volt refrigerator. You have a huge insulated fish box and also an insulated live well, so you could use it as a cooler if you didn't want to use it for fish. Moving forward, you'll see here at the helm station, you have a great layout, plenty of room for all the electronics you want. Inside this compartment here, you have the head, sink, and plenty of storage for lockable rod storage in here, and a small closet. On the starboard side, you have a small sleeper. This particular boat doesn't have it, but you can order this boat with a generator and have air conditioning inside here. The forward platform, you can pull out the centerpiece and either leave it at home or store it in one of the compartments and have a total walkthrough, but it'll walk you right up to the bow where you have your anchor windlass compartment. We have a beautiful hardtop painted to match the hull with LED lighting and a grab rail and plenty of life jacket storage up here. This boat also has an integrated sure shade, electronic sure shade that's built into the top of the T-top. If you have any questions, contact me anytime, 305-389-4946.